This video is going to teach you how to do the sitting meditation. So, the whole idea of meditation is to have a clear mind. Some people call it no mind, no thoughts, just stillness and being in the present moment. So it starts off with first stilling the body. That's the first objective right now. The idea is if you still the body, then you'll learn to still the mind. So no movement. You just want to breathe and breathe deep. Breathe and fill your stomach with air. Feel your stomach expanding and contracting. So I don't want your fingers moving. I don't want your face moving. I don't want you to break your posture. I want a very erect posture, erect back, chest out, sitting in the lotus position. Putting your hands, your wrists by your knees, you could, or you could bring your hands to the center. Once you choose that position, I want you to be still, and I want you to breathe deep. At this moment, you also want to focus your attention to the sounds that you hear. Listen to everything. Pay attention to how your body's feeling, the sensations. As you breathe in deeply, pay attention to the scent of what you're breathing in. Pay attention to those senses. Have your eyes closed throughout. Right now, our goal is to meditate for 10 minutes with no movement. You should bring all your attention to this moment. It's not easy for some people, but you can build up to the 10 minutes. At first, you might be able to just do 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, but gradually build up to the 10 minutes. It will help to have somebody observe you to see if you're doing any movements. The observer will be able to tell. The observer becomes like a mirror. They'll help you be in stillness. Once you build up your technique, then you can be honest with yourself and whether or not you are moving. So you still the body, and then eventually your mind will be in stillness. So what goes on in the mind is usually something that cannot be physically seen. So we start with the body first. We can see the body, we get attuned to the body, we can feel the body, So if you could train yourself to still the body, then you will build confidence to know that you could also still the mind. When you still the mind, there will be no thoughts. If there are thoughts, let the thoughts just pass, just like the wind is passing, the clouds are passing. Let them pass and be an observer to the thoughts. Do not be attached to the thoughts. Just observe the thoughts. Bring your attention back to your breath. Very deep breath. The breath is always in the moment. Once again, bring your attention to the sounds. Feel the wind against your skin. Feel your hair. Feel everything. The feeling is in the moment. The breathing is in the moment. So focus on that. Sometimes there are distractions, but do not let the distractions break your stillness. Remain still. You're not going to perfect this right away, so be patient with yourself. Give yourself time to practice. Give yourself time to improve. Respect this technique, just like you respect progress in your strength, your flexibility, your cardio, your physical development. It'll be impossible to lose 50 pounds in 10 minutes. Give it time. Train hard. Eventually, you can lose the weight. And you get stronger. You can't get very strong in a matter of seconds. It takes a lot of time of disciplined practice. So practice your stillness. Start with the goal of 10 minutes. Build to 15, 20, 25, 30. Challenge yourself to grow and be in stillness. Posture is very important. Keep your back very straight. Breathe very deep. Be in complete awareness. That's what meditation is. Awareness. As you grow in your practice, you will be able to bring meditation into other areas of your life. Awareness is key. Awareness could save your life. Awareness can bring you peace. Awareness can bring you happiness. Awareness can bring you bliss. It starts with it being still.